welcome. My name is Rosa Calenzo and this is my story. I come from Cellale in the Campania region of central southern Italy. It is located in the province of Caserta, which is part of the Campania region. Cellale is located on the Tyrrhenian Sea between Sardinia and Sicily and is not far from the highbrow tourist attraction of Baia di Misia, known for its sandy beaches. Cellale is a picturesque town that remains steeped into traditional Italian life. Some of the landmark attractions in Cellale are: the town square known as La Piazza is connected with narrow streets, and at times medieval architecture. These areas are marked by cafes and shops. Every July we have the Festa di Fagioli known as the Bean Festival. The market square bustles with activity every Saturday as we host the traveling markets, and every other day you will find children, perhaps the next Baggio, playing soccer there. And if that's not enough, the rural area of Cellale is known for its agriculture, including the harvest of olives and production of olive oil. You will amply find olive groves and vineyards in the region. My brothers even had vineyards. And it is not uncommon to find fig trees in the backyards of homes they built. In Cellale and throughout magnificent Italy for that matter, you will enjoy traditional mouth-watering Italian delicacies including pasta, pizza, and seafood to name a few, and that we will be covering in this e-cookbook. To write a comprehensive e-cookbook on the entire Italian cuisine catalog would yield a good 1,000 pages, but we will instead be focusing on Campania cuisine for now. In my ebook I want to share my lifelong experience about my passion for cooking that kept my connection to the old world. I make an excursion to Cellale every summer, and at times my brothers come to Montreal as well. Get your copy of ebook Italian Rustic Cuisine today.